Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Saha. I am a physicist. My key area of expertise is ceramic processing and their magnetic and electrical properties. I am also expert in ferroelectric and piezoelectric materials and their application in sensors and actuators. I teach physics for engineering undergrad students. This includes engineering physics and modern physics for engineers. Physics is the foundation of engineering. Physics tells you how things work. So you know that if anything in front of you works, that means it has a physics principle behind it. So to be a good engineer, you must know the basics principle, the fundamentals of physics at all time. Physics is very much relevant to all engineering branches, whether it starts from making a very small needle for injections to very big things like Large Hadron Collider, where the God particle was discovered. Physics all around you, and if you are a good physicist, you have to be a very good engineer. In physics courses, students will learn how nature works, how things works. Let us start from very basics of Newtonian mechanics to how a black hole works. Each concept of physics will tell you how things will be working. Build anything you like, you need to understand the physics. In SRU, you will be having very rigorous training of physics courses as well as very rigorous training in hands-on labs, where you can actually verify the physical laws via experiments. If you are trained in physics, you can be a scientist first, you can be physicist, you can be R&D engineer, you can be R&D scientist, you can be a researcher. If you have a training in physics, your sky is the limit. If you are a physicist, you need to understand how things working. So be curious always, see your surroundings. There will be a problem which you can solve by physicist mindset. So always be curious, always try to find things, always try to understand a problem and try to find out how to tackle a problem by any means. So keep calm, be curious and keep changing the world. All the best.